There are two brush caps that secure your tool's motor brushes. The plastic caps thread into the brush holders to hold the brushes in place. Most problems with the brush caps occur when they are being removed or installed. If a cap is over-tightened, the slots for the screwdriver could be stripped or cracked. Over-tightening could also cause the entire brush cap to crack in half. It is easy to cross-thread the cap and damage its threads. Replacing the brush cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Replacing a brush cap is very simple. All I need is a screwdriver. I'll use the screwdriver to unscrew the cap. Once the cap is removed, I can install the new cap. I place the cap over the brush, compress the spring, and I'll start threading it into place with my fingers. Then tighten it up with the screwdriver. I want to be careful I don't over-tighten it so I don't damage the cap. And I'd repeat this on the other side if necessary. And that's how simple it is to replace the brush caps in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.